Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the crop and paste feature in the new Edits app from Meta Platforms. This is designed to make creating content for Instagram faster and easier. Now, the crop and paste feature, sometimes called the cutout tool, is really useful when you want to highlight a specific object or subject in your video without showing the entire frame. For example, if you're doing a product review, a talking head video, or even a tutorial, you can isolate something like a phone, a book, or any object and place it on top of your clip as an overlay. Now to start, you want to open your Edits app, then choose a clip you want to work on. Once the clip is selected, look for the cutout option below. Now when you tap it, you can choose either auto cutout or customize your own. For now, let's just choose custom. Then from your gallery, you want to choose the video or image you want to add. After that, you can enable the track object feature. Now this allows the cutout to follow the movement of that item throughout the clip, so it stays aligned naturally in the video. And once it finishes processing, you want to tap done and the cropped element will appear in your timeline as a separate layer. From there, you can move it around the screen, resize it, or place it over other clips as an overlay. Now, this works great when you want to emphasize something you're talking about, like pointing out features of a product or visually reinforcing your explanation. And that's it. That's how you use the crop and paste feature in Instagram's Edits app to highlight objects and make your videos more engaging. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!